Good day to everyone. I warmly welcome you all to this guest lecture on the role of supply chain management in corporate outsourcing. In today's global business environment, organizations increasingly depend on outsourcing strategies to improve efficiency, reduce operational costs, and remain competitive. Supply chain management plays a critical role in ensuring that these outsourcing relationships deliver value, quality, and sustainability. In this session, we will explore how supply chain management supports corporate outsourcing through strategic planning, supplier collaboration, risk management, and digital transformation. Let us begin with overview of today's discussion. So this is our proposed agenda for the today's segment. So we will first understand the fundamentals of supply chain management and corporate outsourcing as a broad overview. Then we will examine how supply chain management and corporate outsourcing intersect in modern industries. Further, we will discuss key supply chain management functions, risk management strategies, emerging digital technologies, industry case studies, and future trends shaping outsourced supply chains. Finally, we will conclude with key takeaways of today's session. Let us now get into the main introduction of concept, introduction to supply chain management. Supply chain management refers to the overall coordination and management activities involved in sourcing, production, logistics, and delivery of products or services. The primary goal of supply chain management is to maximize the customer value while achieving operational efficiency and sustainable competitive advantage. Supply chain management typically includes six major activities: planning, sourcing, manufacturing, delivery, inventory management, and customer service. An effective supply chain ensures that the right product reaches the right customers at the right time with optimum quality and minimum cost. Let us now understand the basics of corporate outsourcing and overview. Corporate outsourcing is the process of delegating the specific business functions or operations to external organizations or service providers. Companies adapt outsourcing to focus on their core competencies while leveraging external expertise for specialized tasks. There are several forms of outsourcing, including business process outsourcing, IT outsourcing, manufacturing outsourcing, and knowledge process outsourcing. The major key drivers behind outsourcing include cost reduction, access to skilled expertise, operational flexibility, scalability, and faster market response. Let us now discuss the integration of supply chain management and corporate outsourcing. Supply chain management and outsourcing are deeply interconnected with each other. Supply chain management provides visibility, coordination, logistics management, inventory control, and supplier integration, while corporate outsourcing focus on vendor partnerships, contract, and service delivery. When both functions work together effectively, organizations achieve improved quality, cost efficiency, faster delivery, and higher operational resilience. In simple terms, supply chain management acts as a strategic backbone that transforms outsourcing relationship into long-term competitive advantages. Now let us discuss key supply chain management functions and corporate outsourcing. Now let us examine the important supply chain management functions that support outsourcing services as a major success. The first thing is supplier management, which involves vendor selection, evaluation, and relationship management. Second one is demand planning, where accurate forecasting helps to align production capacity with customer demand. The third is logistics and distribution management, ensuring smooth transportation and timely delivery. Quality assurance is another critical function involving audits, compliance standards, and defect prevention techniques. Finally, cost management and service level agreement monitoring ensures that outsourced operations remain financially efficient and performance oriented. Followed by that, we now see about risk management in outsourced supply chains. Outsourced supply chains are exposed to multiple risks that can disrupt the business continuity. These risks may include supplier dependency, quality failures, geopolitical instability, transportation disruptions, and data security threats. Organizations manage these risks through strategies such as multi-sourcing, supplier audits, geographic diversification, contingency planning, cybersecurity protocols, and real-time monitoring systems. An organization with a resilient supply chain can quickly respond to disruptions and maintain operational stability. Let us now go through the technology and digital transformation in supply chain management. Technology is one of the major part in supply chain management and outsourcing practices. AI and machine learning are enabling predictive analytics and smarter procurement decisions. Blockchain technology improves transparency and traceability across supply chains. Internet of Things devices and sensors provide real-time tracking and warehouse automation. Cloud-based ERP systems connect suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors through integrated platforms. Additionally, digital twins allow organizations to simulate supply chain scenarios and optimize performance before implementing the real-world decisions. Now we will have some standard industry case studies as a major example. Let us now look at a few industry examples. Apple Incorporation Limited successfully manages global outsourcing through deep supplier integration and strong quality control system. Next one is Nike focuses on ethical outsourcing by implementing supplier codes of conduct and factory audits to maintain sustainability and labor standards. Amazon demonstrates excellence in third-party logistics integration, enabling rapid same-day and next-day delivery services. These examples highlight how effective supply chain management strategies contribute significantly to outsourcing success. Let us now see about best practices and future trends in, in supply chain management integrated with corporate outsourcing. To achieve successful outsourcing outcomes, organizations should build strategic supplier partnership rather than purely transactional relationships. Real-time performance dashboards, collaborative forecasting, dual sourcing strategies, and standardized KPI frameworks are becoming essential best practices nowadays. The future trends include AI-driven autonomous supply chain, sustainability-focused supply chain management models, nearshoring strategies, circular economy integration, and supply chain as a service models. The future of outsourcing will increasingly depend on agility, digital intelligence, and sustainable operations. So, we are at the end of the guest lecture session. Before concluding the today's session, let us summarize the following key insights from today's segment. So, supply chain management is not merely an operational activity, it is a strategic enabler of corporate outsourcing success. Strong supplier partner relationship, effective risk management, and digital transformation are essential for building resilient and competitive supply chain. As a whole, organizations that integrate sustainability, ethics, and technology into their outsourcing strategies will achieve long-term business success. So thank you all for your valuable time and attention. I hope that today's session has given you a lot of meaningful insights into the important role of supply chain management and corporate outsourcing. Thank you once again. We will meet in the subsequent lecture session in future meetings. Thank you all.